Please subscribe my channel, which will influence me to do a better new project for you. Engineering requirements for electrical design preparation. Backup data shall be furnished on request to support basic design decisions related to selection of distribution system voltage and configuration, sizing of equipment and materials, selection of economic alternatives, and performance of specific systems or equipment. Calculations may be performed by manual or computer procedures. For the typical project, engineering backup data shall be documented and furnished on request for the following. 1. Sizing of electrical equipment including building service, transformers, feeders, engine generators, panel boards, and branch circuits. Building service, transformer, MCCs, and panel board sizes shall be based on estimated maximum demand plus known or reasonably anticipated future loads. Estimated maximum demand calculations shall utilize appropriate NEC demand factors, diversity factors, and historical data as allowed in the electrical code. Typically, transformers shall be sized for 60 to 80% peak loading of the non-fan rated load. Feeder and branch circuit sizes shall be based on the feeder and branch circuit breaker size and voltage drop. Assume estimated maximum demands will be continuous and size circuit breakers a minimum 125% of estimated maximum demand. 2. Voltage drop determination. The secondary distribution system shall be examined for voltage drop from the service transformer downstream to the branch-level panel board, and on to the branch circuits. Calculations shall be sufficient to encompass the application range of the project. Secondary distributions and branch circuit system design shall be based on a maximum of 5% voltage drop from the transformer to the utilization equipment, 3% for branch circuits and 2% for feeders. 3. Illumination and lighting power calculations. Data shall identify target and calculated illumination levels for all areas. Data shall also identify calculated lighting power and lighting power allowance as required per the building code. Interior lighting power densities shall be calculated for each separate area of a building. 4. Short circuit evaluation. It is the designer's responsibility to analyze the distribution system and perform short circuit calculations to ensure that new equipment is adequately protected against the effects of short circuits. System components shall be specified with adequate short circuit ratings, and/or protective devices or components shall be specified that will reduce fault current levels or durations. It is preferred that higher rated equipment be specified if data on available fault current is questionable, if utility substation or line capacity is projected to increase, or if calculated fault values fall near a standard equipment rating. Minimum equipment standard interrupting ratings shall be identified on a single line diagram or in schedules. 5. Protective coordination analysis. For projects which include electronic trip circuit breakers or protective relays, the set points for the overcurrent and ground fault trip adjustments shall be addressed. The consultant shall review and approve the set points resulting from short circuit/coordination study and arc flash hazard study and verify that the devices have been properly set. If a third party or equipment manufacturer is to provide the set points, that requirement shall be indicated in the specifications. The consultant shall then provide information as required for the third party or manufacturer to perform the coordination study. The consultant shall approve the set point recommendations and verify that the devices have been properly set. Note, this does not remove the responsibility of the consultant from performing short circuit calculations and a preliminary coordination analysis. 6. Special applications. Engineering backup shall be provided to justify any major design decisions, including design of normal or emergency distribution system elements which deviate from guidelines, use of harmonic-rated equipment, use of isolated grounds or second-tier SPD devices, and special grounding or lightning protection accommodations. 7. Lightning protection. Remodeling of or additions to existing facilities with existing lightning protection systems shall have existing systems extended to serve new additions.